Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today we dive deep into one of the most iconic supercars of our time, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. This car represents Lamborghini's unyielding pursuit of speed, luxury, and unparalleled design. Whether you're a supercar enthusiast or just here to admire some automotive brilliance, this one is for you. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Huracan has taken Lamborghini's bold design language to an entirely new level. At first glance, you're hit with its aggressive stance, angular lines, and aerodynamic precision. The signature Y-shaped LED headlights, now even sharper, blend perfectly into the sleek front fascia, which is dominated by a sculpted hood and massive air intakes. Every curve and vent has been engineered not just for aesthetics, but also to enhance airflow, cooling, and downforce. The rear end is equally mesmerizing, featuring a high-mounted exhaust system, a redesigned diffuser, and a fixed rear wing that screams performance. Depending on your preference, Lamborghini offers the Huracan in a variety of bespoke colors and finishes, with endless options for carbon fiber accents to make it truly yours. Step inside and the drama continues. The interior of the 2025 Huracan is where cutting-edge technology meets handcrafted luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable and loaded with performance data. Lamborghini has upgraded its infotainment system, offering a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seating is an art form, with Alcantara and premium leather upholstery available in numerous color combinations. Every button, switch, and control is meticulously placed, ensuring an intuitive and immersive driving experience. For the purists, the steering wheel remains free of distractions, with just the essentials like drive mode selectors and paddle shifters. But what really sets the Huracan apart is how it makes you feel. From the moment you sink into those bucket seats, you know you're in a car designed to thrill. Performance is where the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan truly shines. At its heart is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter Fi-10 engine that now delivers even more power and responsiveness. Depending on the variant, it churns out anywhere from 640 to 670 horsepower, allowing this beast to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The top speed, a mind-bending 202 miles per hour. Lamborghini has also introduced advanced aerodynamics and a recalibrated all-wheel drive system, ensuring that the Huracan sticks to the road like glue, even in the most demanding corners. For those who crave an even rawer experience, the STO variant strips away unnecessary weight and focuses purely on track performance. The suspension system has been refined for better handling and ride comfort, while the upgraded carbon ceramic brakes ensure that stopping power matches its incredible speed. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan starts at around $250,000 for the base Evo RWD variant, making it one of the more accessible supercars in its class. However, if you want the top-of-the-line STO or the Technica model with all the bells and whistles, you're looking at a price tag well north of $350,000. Of course, these prices are before you dive into Lamborghini's extensive customization program, where you can easily add tens of thousands of dollars in bespoke features. In conclusion, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan is more than just a car. It's a statement, a symbol of power and artistry that few vehicles can match. Whether you're drawn to its jaw-dropping design, track-ready performance, or luxurious interior, this is a car that delivers on all fronts. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just driving, you're making history. Thank you for joining us today on Auto Gear Hub. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting cars. What do you think of the 2025 Huracan? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.